conscientiousness, propriety, wisdom, and trust are the soul of traditional Chinese culture. Thanks to the national culture and Confucianism. Since the establishment of GMK, the 5 basic norms have made become the core of the company's culture and a source of strength for every employee of GMK. The journey begins. Established in 2002 and located in Foshan, Guangdong, GMK Intelligent Equipment Company Limited specializes in conveyor metering, mixing dispersion, reaction, filling, packaging, online detection, central control, and the R&D, design and production of other intelligent systems. It is a global manufacturing and service provider. Its products are mainly used in the fields of silicone, polymer compounds, lithium battery, biochemistry, and other industries. With great achievements made, GMK will continue to keep pace with the times. With its strong product advantages and the corporate value of making great achievements with high quality, the company looks far and aims high and never stops thinking and researching. As a leader in technological innovation in the industry, GMK has become the backbone of new product development with its strong scientific and technological research strength. Many of its technologies have filled in domestic vacancy. Some of its technologies are at the top level in the world. Core technologies and sophisticated equipment made GMK take deep root in China and make a name in the world. GMK has established the Guangdong Provincial Enterprise Technology Center, has the German TÜV ISO 9001-2015 Quality System Certification, won the China Patent Excellent Award, and has been recognized as a key high-tech enterprise in the National Torch Plan and the National Intellectual Property Advantage Enterprise. GMK has won so many awards throughout its development process. Integrity is the natural law. Those with integrity are invincible. Taking integrity as the road of doing business, GMK insists on being honest in making products and running enterprise. It is at the forefront of the times with its high efficiency and win-win approach. Based on the 5 ethical norms, GMK is making giant strides full of lofty sentiments. It will continue to work hand-in-hand with friends from all walks of life at home and abroad to create a better future together. Forge ahead to create a better brand. GMK regards product quality as its lifeblood. In the field of silicone equipment, the company has produced SLG Series Twin Screw Automatic Production Line, Ace-Torxy Transparent Sealants Continuous Production Line, Neutral Transparent Sealants Continuous Production Line, Neutral Oxide Sealants Continuous Production Line, Neutral Alcohol Sealants Continuous Production Line, A Component Sealants Continuous Production Line, B Component Sealants Continuous Production Line, Color-Based Continuous Production Line, Electronic Industrial Sealant Automatic Production Line, Polyurethane Sealant Automatic Production Line, Coating Polyurethane Automatic Production Line, Solar Sealant Continuous Production Line, High Temperature Vulcanization HTV Automatic Production Line, 110 Methyl Vinyl Silicone Rubber Automatic Production Line, Liquid Injection Molding Rubber Automatic Production Line, Static Mixer Method Alcohol Type Glue Automatic Production Line, 137 Polymer Continuous Automatic Production Line, Silicone Oil Continuous Automatic Production Line, Artificial Stone Plate Slurry Automatic Production Line, Intelligent Color Mixing Production Line, etc. A total of dozens of automatic production lines that have played a positive role in promoting the development of China's silicone industry. In addition, the company has produced auto-weighing static mixer, silicone compound production equipment, silicone compound laboratory equipment, Silicone compound package equipment, DTD 200 drum dosing filling machine, DTF 200 drum dumping machine, high-speed unpacking machine, liquid powder metering conveyor system, rubber and high-temperature rubber automatic box packing machine, etc. High quality results from strength, and science and technology create brilliance. In the field of lithium battery equipment manufacturing, GMK has produced a positive and negative slurry automatic line 1GWH, 3GWH, 6GWH, 8GWH. Slot die type-wide high-speed single double surface coater 3GWH, 6GWH, 8GWH. Positive and negative pole-based continuous production line. Positive and negative paste for lithium battery production raw material loading system. Mixer and other auxiliary equipment. Advanced technology, strict management, and high-quality products help GMK enjoyed a good reputation in market. GMK will continue to manufacture more products to fulfill the dream of the industry. Kindness, high morality, be courteous to the wise and condescending to scholars, intelligent thinking, practical deeds, and understanding reputation. Manage the company with 5 ethnic norms, self-discipline, and social commitment. Pursue excellence for the far-off future. GMK will continue to make greater achievements in its efforts to realize the dream of becoming a leading enterprise in China and in the world.